In the rich and multifaceted pantheon of Japanese folklore, few creatures capture the imagination like the Tengu. Tengu are most recognizable for their distinct appearance. They are often portrayed as humanoid beings with bird-like features, such as wings or talons. Their defining characteristic is a long, protruding nose, which symbolizes their pride and arrogance. Clad in the robes of a Yamabushi mountain ascetics, they also carry fans made from feathers, believed to control wind and display their supernatural ability.